Orisheva. Oh, na 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 na. I'm reading in Castle. Into Krami Musa. Georgia more don't put Yanika. Wouldn't you know so I want to meet that? Can you crave you go some wine? This other power and India send now. Come a bit in me to every drop. But you know what's I know they are for them. A baby to me the show, baby any. But you know what's I not on Sanom. And try more than Yanika. I'm reading in Castle. Who says past fair fan soon Kahoda? So Kahoda. You may be obeying and putting your juma. Order, Pokian is the order. Reset, I'm ready.
Share. Abigail. Why are dear papa so why woman must? Ube fiam and old dean come here. One trim and one wolf. Namaka shiam or ham paranson. Ushiam and I made the pa. I be me pe wasem pa fite. Me be wias me wo ba kope. Me ba be my ba kope. Enti ma fa se me baba. Me pese me do ka me ba dwo. Na mo ye mie no mame. Enti me pese wo rebe ho asasi so. Pese wani ba gia bibia. So what did you make an say? Enti ena me ankasa. Mama Rockstar. Messi mu tin. Echi Ghana ha nyina akopɛ bema mua. Bema wo ye odifo. Bema chese. Minhuni menka kra. Bema wono akasa no. Hey, ukodi se ya. Wo kwa no akopem. Wo saye mfebro. No waba besi. A wo ma bibie hia wo asase so. Ena me pese wo na bobra na me pese makasa tententi me pese wo no ankasa be yi ne ho adi achiro no hu ne suni ni papa na se di pa wo ye.
Well, Patronim Franco Trading Enterprise.
Franco Trading Enterprise.
Yes.
Omo import flash screens, I mean televisions, phones, Oh,
sure.
okay.
Yeah.
Cano sense. Cano essence.
There were so many products, but anyway, another angle neko. Franco Kujato.
Oh, okay.
CEO of Franco Enterprise, to be precise.
Oh, okay. Nice meeting you.
Oh, nice. Well, like that, my name Madam Dinkomo severally, simply because my mama and me do a quite prepare. And prepare no to kwanya also new be watch somebody away solid. Into about business activity, we ultimate chance to SMC, patch or quest transaction, transaction. So far, Okachem so be now ban in that form. Oba is my show be pa. Me show one ho fair ne senior was ya compose I have no doubt say we should find sanity. Indeed, maybe I think say I'll go straight to the point. Manager Menya, and I would like you to be my girlfriend. And if possible, be my wife.
This is a good story.
Thank you. But thank you so much for your compliment, and I'm really honored. Now, most at times, you know, in meme ya mudimwa mu mutika wo bibi papedino. Ya na ese mo ya homaso kakra. Enti baby amu beko bia na bodyguards edidi mu echi ne ade. But I like your simplicity, and you are very cute too as well. So
Yes. Thank you for 3 points. Happy are those who find husbands from a child, the rockstar. Rockstar one.
I have this open door policy. You see, instant feedbacks are not always the best. It's also better when I expect positive results from you. But I say a table, so I try. Would you like to take something?
Yeah, sure.
What do you like?
Okay. I'll go for fried rice and chicken.
Okay, Madam Echa.
I do care for fufu and aponche cracker. You know me, I eat a lot.
Look
Look at my body and gauge the food for me.
And then I'm ready. You made in your open. Waitress.
Body talk.
Watch out, bro.
Please, I come in peace.
Move. Stay there.
What is your mission here? Don't move!
Please. I am honorable contractor. Na obabi e bunkosia. Me ma udan se de beya me ba menya baby be feel comfortable na menya baby di theater. O de tana hotel. Ko kasusu a o ma menka. O hurasi be konso. So, poor me.
I'm making a picture.
Pacho.
Tu peux examiner les détails.
Pacho. Mami.
It will cost you 15,000 Ghana.
Pacho, old Ghana cedis 150 million.
Yes.
Oh, Mr. Untimiswa Krawai.
Hey! Because in the Pekume is the one. Huh? If you're not on my girl, I'm going to say. See me, Fiako.
Pacho,
Because the media go home.
I'll pay, don't worry. I'll pay. Fortunately or fortunately for me, Mr. Muntem, Tina Bank me. Tina, the mode of payment is saying, how am I going to pay you?
Mama, half. Then after the job, no, what would they half a car by me?
All right. I will bring the money so that you complete the mission for me.
Okay.
That's it. That's it.
Can go.
Thank you, madam.
Emre Ninkaso, ustedes pas fefanu sunka hoda. Emre Ninkaso, ufomu fefa wudi bojei odo. Ustedes pas fefanu sunka hoda. Emre Ninkaso, ufomu fefa wudi bojei odo. Emre Ninkaso, ustedes pas fefanu sunka hoda. Udi mebi ubema mponye juma odo. Pokuyan sisi hoda. Prise Emre Ninkaso. Ustedes pas fefanu sunka hoda. Emre Ninkaso, ufomu fefa wudi bojei odo. Emre Ninkaso, ufafa fefa wudi.
Well. Hello, good afternoon. How are you all? How's business? Hope all is well, right? Okay, that's good. Anyway, this is one of my branches.
Wow. Lovely.
I have 2 branches
Really?
in Edum here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and I have so many branches throughout the country. So, you said you wanted food, right?
Yeah.
Quick type.
Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge.
S7.
Yes.
Okay, lovely. S7 Edge is here, right?
Yes, I want that one. Thank you so much, darling. I love you so much. Thank you, thank you.
Efia, could you please prepare a room for me on this particular product?
Thank you, darling.
Come.
Okay, I'll wait for you here.
Right. Baby, don't you think you would like to take something?
Oh, thank you so much. Thanks for asking. I really appreciate that. But meba no, mididi ansana meba, and I'm okay. But I want to say Origin Zero, dear. So I want Origin Zero, alcohol free, and I want my Emma woman. Until I'm okay.
Okay. Until what about three possible major drink biano? Na man Origin Zero, right?
Oh, so when you say Origin Zero, dear. And Sam, he says it's subium, alcohol free, and it's also good for your health, you know.
It's true. And then you told me there's something you would like to discuss with me.
Yes, I did. As I'm say, I've been watching you ever since I met you.
Right.
And the way you treat me, the way I would judge me, so I mean, you are so caring. Your attitude towards me really reminds me of my husband. And you're not a person me catch your one and say, I mean, I'm beginning to like you. I mean, I like you.
Emre Ninkaso, Ustes Pass Fefenuzun Kahoda. Emre Ninkaso, Ufomo Fefa with the Bojay, Odo. Ustes Pass Fefenuzun Kahoda. Emre Ninkaso, Ufomo Fefa with the Bojay, Odo.
You like me?
Yes, I do. I like you.
You mean you like me? But I love you.
I love you too.
Well. Anyway, thank you very much for your compliment.
You're welcome.
It's my job to keep my baby smiling always. Yeah. And excuse me to say that Russia nipa biano so si no bob bra kodu pempen so bi na say ja bibi kakraba unsema. The best thing you can ever do to satisfy your soul is to make your partner very, very happy. And I mean for that. Yeah.
Thank you.
I will dedicate myself towards that task.
Thank you.
And then I can promise you I'll make you 3 times happier than your late husband.
Really? You do all that for me?
I'll make you happier and I'll let you forget.
Oh wow, thank you so very much.
Yeah, I'll let you forget him. And I'm determined to do that.
Okay.
So trust me.
Well,
I'm in to love you and to make you happy.
and to cherish me as well.
Mom.
As you said, time will tell, right?
Sure.
Cheers. So where do we go from here?
Oh, from here I suggest we go to one of my shops. I just want to check 1 or 2 things.
Okay, then
Then
we'll go have fun.
Orisheva. Oh na 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 na. Emre Ninka so. Into Krami Musa. Roja mo don ponye nika. Odinjene wonso a wonto menda. Kanu krebi gumasumwai. Isoda po enintia senena. Bema biti mito baby intro. Odinu wusa no de abodam. Obabi ti mi di show bema bi ani. Odinu wusa na tunsanom. Entra mo do nyenika ya semo. Nanso kai unu se unpoku esisi oda. Odu mebi no wuso mo entumi nchina. Uses pass perfect no so ka oda. Odu mebi ubema mpo enye adwuma. Oda unpoku esisi oda. Prise Emre Ninka so. Uses pass perfect no so ka oda. Emre Ninka so. Form of fefa with the boje. Odo Emre Ninka so. Ufa five fefa with the chimay. Emre Ninka so ati.
Ooh,